What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan with the Rideshare Panel, and for those of you that do not know, I have been delivering with Amazon Flex for the past 2 months. Amazon Flex is absolutely the best opportunity for drivers to make more money with rideshare right now. For those of you that have just started driving recently, you've joined in on the swiping frenzy. It is absolutely crazy trying to pick up blocks. They come, they pop up in your app, and they disappear immediately. So here are 4 techniques that can help you pick up more blocks when you're driving with Amazon Flex. The first technique to pick up more blocks as an Amazon Flex driver is to use a block grabbing robot. Yes, you can literally buy a small block clicker that will do just that. It will swipe on blocks as soon as they pop up in your app, and you will get a ton more blocks doing this. Usually these cost between 80 and 120 bucks, and they are guaranteed to get you more blocks. The only problem is they might actually get you deactivated because Amazon Flex does not like you doing this. So proceed with caution because this could get you kicked off the app. The second technique for getting more Amazon Flex blocks as an Amazon Flex driver is to buy blocks on the secondary market. Yes, there are literally services that reserve blocks and sell them back to drivers at a 25% markup. This isn't personally something that I would do because I don't want to be giving 25% of my earnings to someone else, but it's definitely a good way to get more blocks and guarantee that you have work. The third way to get more Amazon Flex blocks is to take reserve blocks, and the way to do this is to fill out your Amazon Flex calendar with all your availability over the next couple weeks. Amazon will occasionally throw you a reserve block that it's not setting available to anyone else but you. You only have a couple minutes to decide if you want to do this, and then that reserve block disappears. So there is some speculation that if you do not pick up the reserve blocks that are thrown your way, you're less likely to get more blocks in the future. It's important to take these blocks when they come your way if you want to get more offers in the future. The fourth way to get more Amazon Flex blocks is to hang out by an Amazon Fresh point. Now these Amazon Fresh blocks go really quick, much faster than normal blocks, and they do this because when you get tipped and you factor in all of these tips above your earnings, you can end up making twice as much as the advertised amount, and this ends up being a huge hourly wage. These blocks also work a little bit differently than normal blocks. A normal block, you must opt out of it 45 minutes before that block begins. So if you pick up a block and you want to cancel it and you do that within 45 minutes, you can risk deactivation if you do this multiple times. But Amazon Fresh blocks you can drop at any point. So drivers wait near those fresh points, making sure that they'll be able to start immediately if they pick it up, and they try and pick up blocks that are dropped 10-15 minutes ahead of time, and other drivers are less likely to pick these up because they're not close enough to that fresh point. For me, it involves quite a bit of waiting around, but if you've got something else you can do on your phone for work or something else you can do to take that time off your hands, then this can actually be a really good strategy for picking up blocks. That's all for the top 4 tips to pick up more blocks as an Amazon Flex driver. If you have another tip, leave it down below in the comments. Let me know about your experience because I'd love to get a discussion going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be dropping tons of more techniques for Amazon Flex drivers that you do not want to miss out on.